back to the BSN channel. Here I have is some nice Abenkwan. My mom is holding the camera, so forgive her if she's not holding it straight.
Don't let me laugh.
I'm supposed to have a shot of Jägermeister, but she's giving me 2 shots, maybe a triple shot. That's not what I requested.
It's called appetizer. We are still in the new year, son.
Okay, thank you. We got some wele, we got some nice nama, Aponkye. Well, in general, we got a nice rib cage of goats. We've got neck, we've got intestine, we've got cowhide with Cocoyam Fufu.
Yeah, no fear.
I'm actually gonna pray before I drink, so I mean.
Amen.
Not as short as the other prayer in the other video.
Not your ankle one. It wasn't the Jack Daniel prayer, it wasn't.
No.
This one was proper one. Thank
now
God.
It's Jägermeister.
Jägermeister prayer was talking. Yeah, okay. Because after that, that's it then. Let's see how you tuck it in.
It's not too bad, but it's not my favourite drink.
But I do like the way you eat fufu, you know, son.
Shall I use 5 fingers this time?
No. You've never used 5 fingers. Why do you want to...
I did it when I was younger, but...
make a mess. No. You use 3 fingers, and I like that. And a lot of people like you using just 3 fingers. And you can eat a whole bowl of 3 fingers. And it's amazing.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Should I come a bit closer? Because I can't see the bowl inside.
Yeah, come closer.
I can see only your face. When it's going in your mouth, then I'll show your mouth. You see, this is what we eat, fufu. You don't, you know, it's called cratchy eating. Cratchy eating fufu. That's it. You know, meat goes. Cratchy eating fufu with 3 fingers. I'm not making fun of you, but...
It's like a science experiment. You sound like David Attenborough.
Yeah, but you can finish a whole bowl of fufu with just 3 fingers. I wonder.
That's all I need.
You've always been like that, and I couldn't work it out. Me and your brother has to make sure that, you know, the 5 fingers are in it. But your 2 fingers are separated from the soup. How is the soup? Is there enough salt? Is it flavored? Chili?
Soup is it's beautiful. Not too hot, it's perfect.
Ooh. When you say not too hot, which means it is hot.
It's not hot.
On my liking.
But it's the taste that I'm addicted to.
The flavor. But it's not too much fufu you are eating, are you?
It's not.
It's just a feel. So what do you do with that 2 fingers left behind? Why are you not using
They're just watching. It's a roller coaster ride.
You make me laugh. It's been a long time. I've always wanted to ask why you never use the 5 fingers to dig into your fufu.
Mum, you did ask that in the last video.
Only the last video. But a long time I had wanted to ask.
Oh, okay.
And I thought, well, let me leave him alone. That's what he eats.
Why didn't you ask me before? I mean, you never asked me.
Yeah, that's how you like to eat. And it's still go down in the same hole, in the same belly. So I thought, what's the point of asking? But your brother doesn't eat fufu like that. And make sure it's the whole 5 fingers, just like mommy doing.
I used to do that, as I said in the other video.
But why did you stop that?
I honestly never thought about it until someone said it. Until you mentioned it.
Because when we went to Heavy Dew in Ghana, you still used 3 fingers and you was eating fine. I thought, this is us trying to tuck in with 5 fingers. You know, do and sankwai, you know, with their 5 fingers, and you still were doing the 3 fingers. Why? Have you got any aches in those 2 fingers at the bottom?
No, I mean, see, it's gone on the 3rd finger by accident, but it's a habit. I never thought of it until the last video.
Oh, right. You didn't even realize
Didn't
that.
realize.
Oh, right.
But then I realized, oh, okay, sometime in my childhood, I stopped using 5 fingers.
Oh. Go on then. Let's see that, you know, you're really enjoying the soup. Wow. You want all the impurities to go inside your throat, son.
See, that is proper Abenkwan. Okay, you can't get this in the chop bar.
No,
unless my mum works at the chop bar. Okay?
Please. You can't.
I'm telling you, you can't get this. I don't even. That's why I don't eat Abenkwan at chop bars. I have to have in Kakra. I have to have light soup because it's not the same. It's like it's just palm, but there's a vacuum. Why? Because there's no flavor of my mum's kitchen. So
everybody thinks their mom is best, you know.
That's beautiful.
I'm glad you enjoyed that.
Asante Enkwai.
So how do you end this?
I hope I didn't make you too hungry or disgusted. Some people look at this and think it's disgusting. Salute to you, but I had the time of my life. So if you like the video, please like. Greetings to my mum. If you didn't like, feel free to dislike. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Peace.